How to make stickers like this at home within a few minutes. So this is a tutorial video. Welcome to my video where I show you how to make these beautiful stickers you can see here in no time at home by just using your printer and some stuff I'm sure you have at home. It's also nice that the base fits my head. I'm a base head. So I saw a video on YouTube, a guy showing how to make these stickers, and I want to share it with you. I have done a few of them now. I also decorated my guitar. Don't worry, I will not bother your ears, but you can see I made this Paul sticker so everybody knows it's Paul's guitar. It's my guitar, and it's quite cool technique. And yeah, let's start. Let's jump into it. So so that we don't have some copyright issues again, I just printed out this beautiful picture of beautiful me. And yeah, it's our friend, the broken Motorola second overhead camera, so we just take some scissor and cut it out. We cut it out. You will see it's a lot of fun making these stickers. Just need a printer. I have a laser printer. I don't know if it works. I don't think it works with inkjet laser printers. How do we call them? Inkjet laser. But most of you have a laser printer. We don't use ink anymore. So now we have me again. We take some transparent tape of any brand, and we just stick Mr. Yeah, and I messed up. You can see it here. I messed up. You have this, doesn't stick even here. Have this. Falte, don't know how I call it, but that's no problem. As I messed up some videos before, I still have my my spare Paul for you. So all we do now is take some better scissors and cut out the image here, because before I forget it. It's very important that the paper sticks very good to the tape. So I take a guitar pick and just rub it down so there are no air bubbles or whatever, that it really sticks. You can see it when the color comes out. It's the color are fresher when you really press it against the paper. So it really sticks well. You can also take your thumbnail or your thumb or whatever, and yeah, take the good scissors and then cut out. The better you cut it out here, the better it looks. It looks like more factory made sticker. Yeah, okay, we have the tuners here now. I cut it here because I don't want to, go around the tuners. It's crazy. So it's just show you the technique so you get an idea how it works. Nearly cut my ear here. I didn't cut my hairs. Buzz cut. Don't destroy the eggshell. Don't destroy the eggshell. Okay, so here we go. Cut it here, cut it here, cut it here. Yeah, maybe cut it round. Nice here. So yeah, okay. So we end up with the paper glued stick to the tape, and now we just take a small bowl of water and we submerge it here. Don't be afraid, I can swim, I've learned it in school. You see it wrinkles up, and now we give it some 10 minutes to soak in the paper. And don't be afraid, you don't have to wait 10 minutes. I will cut the video. So I made myself a coffee because I have to wait the 10 minutes. You don't. So yeah, just repeat the process. It's when you stick it on the tape, make sure that you I hope we can see it on the pictures here. If you just stick it on, you will see there are still some air bubbles, which means it won't stick to the tape. So I will give it a good rub with the black, and now you can see, I hope we can see it. Yeah, you can see it here where it is a nice blue. I pressed it down with the black, and on this part of the guitar you see it's the color is not that fresh, not that nice, so there are still bubbles in. So we don't want any bubbles. We want to stick it real good. Yeah, also the eggshell needs a good rub. So yeah, keep that in mind. Because in the beginning I didn't pay much attention to that. I just rubbed it with my fingers. But you know, do it really strong. Do it really strong. And another thing I want you to keep in mind: if you stick it on a white or cream white here, white surface, you have the best outcome. It will work very fine. If you have a darker background, like I have here on my Western guitar. Yeah, you can see my cheap bone sticker. I printed it. I had to do it several times, so you also have to experiment a bit for you, because yeah, it's actually, I see it in the screen here. The guitar is darker in real life, and I had to print that one actually in a kind of orange color, so that it comes out yellow. So yeah, you have to experiment a bit how it works on darker surfaces. But and what's also important, as we soak it, the sticker is wet, and in the beginning you could barely read it. So don't be frustrated. Give it 12-24 hours to dry, so all the water evaporates out of the sticker or into the wood or wherever it goes. And yeah, then it's really nice. And if you're asking why it's Cheap and Bones is my blue, I tried to play blues guitar and bought this one for 90 euros, which is including a guitar stand, which is dirty cheap, and it's a very good instrument with extremely low string action. Don't make it a music video here. And so it's cheap, and it has a bone nut and saddle, so Cheap and Bones. And I think it's cool. Yeah, okay. So keep that in mind if you plan to stick it on a darker surface. Yeah, well, the best is a white surface. Yeah, have my coffee makes everything possible. Yeah, normally God makes everything possible. Yeah, okay, good. So yeah. I know what you think. You can use these 10 minutes to do something useful, read a book or do some push-ups or pull-ups. Yeah, yeah, that's possible. Yeah, that's possible. Technically, it's possible. But oh, 10 minutes. Too short for a beer, too long for just one coffee or so. So, okay, 10 minutes are over, and we take it out of the water, and it rolled up like this. So yeah, looks good, looks good. So now we start to gently rub off the paper. Yeah, so I start by working from the inside to the outside, especially yeah, if it's a small sticker like that, or you know, so that we don't destroy anything. And you see the paper comes off, and don't be afraid to use some additional water to soak into the paper, because we want the paper to rub the paper completely away, so only the color from the laser printer stays on the tape. And you know, take some time here, because if you're in a hurry, you might also take away some of the color. Also happened to me, but you know, the thing is that my finger is already, you know, could commit a crime now, because there is no fingerprint on this finger anymore, because for the last days I'm doing a lot of stickers. But not able to show you because I'm not sure if there are some copyright issues. And you know, just want to show you the technique so that you can have fun doing it, or doing it with your kids, or even, you know, Christmas is around the corner. You can use it to make personalized stickers for your loved ones, and also for your not loved ones. Depends what you which picture you choose. So okay, that looks good, that looks fine. You know, you can feel it if there is still some paper on it, and you also can see it. I don't know if the camera catches everything, but you know, just give it a try. It's easy. It's really easy. It's really easy. So take another finger that still rubs better, rubbing off the rest of the fingerprints of my fingers. So, you know, rinse it here. Then we don't have anything left, but it looks good. So that's what we have. What we have now here. Yeah, the beautiful sticker of beautiful me. Okay, so let's grab my base. No, it's our base because we are doing this together. So okay, where do we put me? Do we next? Yeah, next here. Here you can, in the middle of the picture, so you can see it well. We put me. Let's put me here. Okay, and just take some cloth or whatever and press it down gently. Well, and you see it's still wet. You can still remove it or place it where you want to have it. So, or just, you know, leave it overnight and all the water will disappear, and so you have a nice sticker. So show it in the big camera. You can see it here turned out. As you can see, that's the sticker I made before. This is the sticker we made now together, and you can see there is some color missing. So maybe I wasn't that good in pressing it down with the pick. Yes, that can happen. But you know, if from a distance you can see anything, and you got the idea, and you know, I can do whatever you want, and yeah. So that's how to make. Wow. That's how to make your own stickers. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, let me see some of your stickers in the comment. Would be nice, or make your own video showing your sticker. It would be nice to see the idea spreading around the world, and more stickers. And I know it's bad because it's plastic, but oh, okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and have fun making your own stickers. Goodbye.